Today is August 10th, 2026. This is a Ṣajẹ drum beat. What is a Ṣajẹ? Ṣajẹ is something chewable, it's just a snack. This is a snack, meaning it's a short drum beat theme for you to digest. So this is commonly beat in Yoruba music. Agiliti ló mú, Agiliti ló mú, okun tí ẹ̀dẹ̀ f'aparo. Agiliti ló mú. So the rope trap that you set for an aparo bird ended up catching Agiliti, a lizard, a reptile. And when you beating drum, if your hands begin to get tired, the hardest of the do re mi is the hard one that you have to indent. So you could go back and use the thumb for it to do that hard press inward this way. So I'll go like this. So you could use that back to indent. If you use it in front, after a while your hands start getting tired. So you could jump back and forth. Instead of using this to indent hard in the front, all it takes is the thumb in the back to make your mi. So that's another way to work around it. Now it's a little bit harder now. If I use this one, it's going to give you a tighter sound. So you could humidify your drum a bit, and then that will soften it up a bit. Leave comment.